Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called Kling AI, AI image and video maker application. So we know it's really a popular app, and it's not a app before that. So it was a website, but a few months ago, 2 or 3 months ago, they brought this application. So now you can use it as an app in your device. So you can see here the rating of the 4.6 out of 5 is really nice, and 49k reviews, 43 megabyte size of the app, and here you can see more than 1 million plus people download this app or use this app. If you want to see the more about this app, like you can see image to video, text to video, text to image. So there are a lot of things here. Trendy AI effects, so you can get trendy effects here, and interact with elements. So there are a lot of elements like sunglasses, dress, and cartoon styles, and high quality videos also, and realistic motion. So all the things you will get in one place. And if you want to get more, if you want to learn more about this app, then go to about this app. Then you can read here like key featuring of Kling AI. And this app is released 2025. It's not too much ago, and there are a lot of people give the ratings about this app. So I'll create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. So today's no, and see you in the next video.